Hello friends, welcome to eMaster Desk. Today I'm going to brief you about how to edit, split and trim in Windows Movie Maker. So before I would like to request you do not forget to subscribe my channel. So let's begin. So first of all you need to download Windows Movie Maker. You can go to Google and just write Windows Movie Maker. So it will give you a couple of links, and from the first link you will click, so it will take you to that page, and where you can download the Windows Movie Maker. I have already downloaded it, so I'm just opening that Windows Movie Maker, and now you can edit your video. And as you can see, you know, menu and other tools. So there, first of all you need to insert the video. There are two ways to insert your video. Either you can just drag and drop here, right, or else you can uh, add videos from here. So I will use the first option, drag and drop. I have already few videos. You can add as many as you want, uh, you know so I'm adding two videos here. So now as you can see that movie maker is preparing to be edited, right? So it will take just few minutes and it will be ready for editing and other stuff. Now our videos are ready to be edited or other stuff. So I've I will play the first one. Got it. Now I'll play the second one. That's okay. Now let's start uh, splitting first. So you need to go to edit and then play your video. You can stop, you can see this bar, you can stop this bar at that place from where you want to split your video. Either you can just drag it, or else you can just let your video play. So I want to split my video from this place. I will click on split. So now your video has been divided into two frames by Windows Movie Maker. Now if you want to divide more clips, so you can divide more. You can just play it again and take your cursor, take your bar to that place where you want to split, and then click on split. So this is how you can split your videos. And you can shuffle the clips from one place to another place, so you can move it, right? And if you want to uh, increase or decrease the speed of your clip or video, so you can do it from here. You can increase or decrease the speed. So if I play it again, this particular clip, so now you can see the speed of your clips has increased. Speed will be increased only for that particular clip. And now if we come to trimming tool, so trimming, it's some, as you can see there are two options like set start point, set end point. So if you want to uh, set a start point from a different place, so you can take that bar to that place and click on set start point. Your start point of that particular clip has changed. And now if you want to uh, set the end point for that particular clip, so you can click on the you can select the end point to that place. So now your set point, start point and end point has been selected. So this is called trimming. And if you want to increase or decrease the sound, so you can do it from here. Like if I play it again, so you can increase or decrease the time volume, right? So this is about volume. And now let's have a look at other option. Let's go to home menu. And as you can see, there are a lot of options. Add videos, I've already told you. You can add music as well in your video clip. From here, add music. and you can record a narration for your video as well. So if you'll click on record narration, it will there will be a drop down window, and you can just click on the start uh, record narration, and your narration will start recording, right? And if you want to give the title, let's suppose you're making a short film and you want to give the title. So you can do it. For that, you need to take the cursor at the first clip and then click on title. Here is your title. Now you can change the text from here, or maybe you want to keep it as it is, so you can do it. And if you want to change the color of your text, you can change it from here. I'm keeping black. And if you want to change the font, you can do it from here. If you want to change the size of your font, you can do it from here. You can choose whatever you want to choose. And if you want to move the text to any other place, you can do it like this. And this is how you can do it. And you can change the background as well by clicking on this thing. I'm keeping it this one. So now if I'll play the clip or title, so now you can see this is how your title will look. And you can add captions as well. uh, you know this is how you'll add captions. If you want to add in any particular clip any kind of caption, so you can just take the bar to that clip at the starting point and click on captions, and you can write down the text from here. I'm changing the color, increase the size, and yeah, I want to keep it here itself. So if I'll play it again, this is how your title will look, and this is how your caption will look, right? So this is how you can use caption. And if you talk about the credit is like some you want at the end of your video or movie, you want to give the credits. So you want to mention your name or your production name or anything, you can click on credit. And now you can see uh, you can edit here, created by, let's suppose you want to make you want to keep write your name. I'm writing just XYZ and changing the color red and making it bold 72, right? So this is how your caption will look. If you want to change the background as well, you can change the background color. And yeah, it's ready. So this is how you can add the credit, right? And you can increase the timing as well for this credit. Like it's like 6.98, so I'm keeping it 3 seconds. If I'll play it now you can see its speed has been increased, right? So these are this is all about title, caption, and credit. And now if we come to animation stuff, uh, this is kind of transition. You can see there are a lot of transition here when your video will move from one clip to another clip. So it will add in between those clips. You can add it in between those clips. And if you take your cursor to that particular transition, so it will show you how it will be played, right? So there are a lot of options, you can choose anyone, right? So let's suppose I'm keeping for this one this transition. So the moment I will play it, so now you can see, right, whenever your scene will change or your your video will move from one frame to another frame. This is the effect viewers going to see, right? And you can increase the timing and decrease the timing as well. And now let's come to visual effects. You want, there are a lot of options as well. So you want to give any particular visual effect to any particular clip, right? You can choose anyone from here. And rest of the tools are, I have already told you about the edit stuff. Yeah, if we'll talk about the another other effects, let's suppose you want your title should be played or displayed in different way. So there are, here are these effects, as you can see. I'm just keep moving my cursor from one effect to another effect, so it just showing me how it will be played, right? So this is how you can select the effects for your particular clip. And so yeah, after editing and splitting and trimming your video, and if you think that you're done with all the stuff, so you can now save your video. And one more thing, if you want to add a few pictures as well, you can add it, right? This is the way you can add pictures in between your uh, clips or videos or frames, right? And you can shuffle the pictures and the clips, right? So now you will I guess you'll be done with the editing and all the other stuff. Now you would like to save your work. You can save it in SD display. So the moment you will save it in SD display, it will be uh, saved and will be played with this all the HD effects, right? So yeah, this is all about Windows Movie Maker. And thanks for watching and stay tuned, right? Bye bye.